talk about tinting our buttercream icing. We're going to use Wilton paste food coloring. Comes in a small container. Or we also have some Chef Master gel coloring, and both work about the same in the icing. What's really nice about the gels is that it doesn't thin your icing. So when you put color in, you're still going to have the same consistency with the icing when you get it the color that you want as when you started. I'm going to ask, because the gels last a very long time, that you use a toothpick. And each time you go into the gel, you use a brand new clean toothpick so you don't contaminate it with icing. So you take your toothpick, you get a little bit of the gel on the toothpick, place it into the icing, stir it a little bit around so that you get the gel off of the toothpick, and then take the toothpicks and put them directly into a trash can. We want to avoid laying them on the table because other students will come along, set their bowl down, put their arm down, get it on their clothes, and this dye will stain your clothes. So toothpick goes into the gel, you rub it into your icing, and then put those toothpicks directly into the trash can. You want to be very careful that after you're done using your coloring, that you make sure to get the same lid back on that coloring. It's very difficult to look at this from the top and say that's green. That's going to make green. And if several of you are working at the table at the same time and you set the lids down and you mix them up, and somebody comes along and puts the purple on the green, can you see how that might be a problem? You open it thinking you've got green or you've got purple, but it's really green when you start stirring it. So try really hard to only use the toothpick once, put it into your icing, then into the trash can, and then put the original lid back on your paste coloring.